We have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning example of a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT V code, numbers matching 446 pack, engine, transmission, super track pack car, power disc brakes, power steering cooler. Just a nice restoration. Everything on the car is working, including the clock, tack, I mean everything except the factory radio just went out on us. But what a car. I mean, what a car. You can find 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Be happy to answer any questions you have or try to accommodate any requests you have. If you'd like to fly in person and check this out, more than happy to pick you up at the airport, which is St. Louis International, Lambert International, one and the same. Just forward us your flight itinerary. We'll pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses full of classic cars, trucks, SUVs, muscle cars, convertibles, and we'll take it out for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Got great financing options on these vehicles. Great terms, great rates. Usually 10% is what it takes to get you in the vehicle. Credit's king, obviously. We can assist with transportation to anywhere in the world. We've sold to, I believe, 85 or 86 countries now, every state, multiple times. So we're experienced in shipping and selling cars sight unseen. Wow, just a great vehicle. Super track pack. Wow. Just an amazing vehicle. Again, pick up the phone, www.westportautocenter.com. It's www.westportautocenter.com. Got the Goodyear Polyglass 15-inch on there. Again, super track pack, nice paint, like a red mirror reflecting. Dana 60, so it's the real deal. No disappointments. Everything works except the factory radio. We'll look into that. Hopefully we get lucky and it might be just a fuse. But as of right now, it is not working. Love this car. Absolutely love this car. There's the factory clock working. Wow, a little slow crank on that one. But you can see all the gauges are working. Tachometer. Love this car. Definitely a cold-natured car. great running and sounding engine. Gotta love this car. Super track pack, numbers matching, V code 446 pack. www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. What a car. 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Ask for Mark. Go to any one of our 3 warehouses full of classics, muscle cars. We're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. 25 to 30 minutes from the international airport, which is St. Louis International or Lambert International, one and the same. Again, what a car. Numbers matching, super track pack. Oh, 20,236 actual miles on the title. Super rare car. What a great car. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you have. Just a running car. I mean, 1970 Dodge Challenger RT Vico 446 pack, loaded, numbers matching. Super track pack, Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri, 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching.